Hello everyone, I hope you all doing well. Let's start our today video. Question 81. Organization of Islamic Cooperation (OIC) was founded on A. September 25, 1967. B. September 25, 1966. C. September 25, 19698. D. September 25, 1969. Correct answer is option D. September 25, 1969. Question 82. Largest arms importer of the world is A. China, B. India, C. Bangladesh, D. Africa. Correct answer is option B. India. Question 83. Reuters is the news agency of A. Germany, B. United Kingdom, C. United States, D. France. Correct answer is option B. United Kingdom. Question 84. First human heart transplant operation conducted by Dr. Christian Bernard on Louis Washkansky was conducted in A. 1968, B. 1958, C. 1967, D. None of these. Correct answer is option C. 1967. Question 85. The height of Eiffel Tower is feet. A. 1067, B. 1063, C. 1073, D. 1077. Correct answer is option B. 1063. Question 86. The Delaware River is in A. United States, B. China, C. Canada, D. United Kingdom. Correct answer is option A. United States. Question 87. The Suez Canal is in A. Palestine, B. Egypt, C. Libya, D. Nigeria. Correct answer is option B. Egypt. Question 88. The oldest news agency in the world is A. BBC, B. WAFA, C. CNN, D. AFP. Correct answer is option D. AFP. Question 89. NATO is A. An alliance, A. Military, B. Regional, C. Economic, D. Cultural. Correct answer is option A. Military. Question 90. The atomic bomb was dropped on the city of Nagasaki on A. the 9th of August 1945, B. the 3rd of August 1945, C. the 6th of August 1945, D. the 12th of August 1945. Correct answer is option A. the 9th of August 1945. Question 91. Who made the design of Pakistan's first stamp ticket? A. None of these. B. Waqar ul Hasan, C. Abdur Rahman Chugtai, D. Ramat Ali. Correct answer is option C. Abdur Rahman Chugtai. Question 92. The 22nd of March is observed internationally as A. World Health Day, B. World Water Day, C. Human Rights Day, D. Women's Day. Correct answer is option B. World Water Day. Question 93. The height of all four minars of Badshah Mosque are A. 177 feet, B. 175 feet, C. 170 feet, D. 172 feet. Correct answer is option A. 177 feet. Question 94. Hitler Party which came into power in 1933 is known as A. Ku Klux Klan, B. Labour Party, C. Democratic Party, D. Nazi Party. Correct answer is option D. Nazi Party. Question 95. Quid A. Azam's mother tongue was A. Urdu, B. Gujarati, C. Hindi, D. None of these. Correct answer is option B. Gujarati. Question 96. Grand Central Terminal, Park Avenue, New York is the world's A. None of these. B. Largest railway station, C. Longest railway station, D. Highest railway station. Correct answer is option B. Largest railway station. Question 97. When did Fatima Jinnah joined All India Muslim League? A. 1947, B. 1927, C. 1949, D. 1939. Correct answer is option D. 1939. Question 98. The United Nations has principal organs A. 4, B. 7, C. 5, D. 6. Correct answer is option D. 6. Question 99. Which one of the following countries made an exit from Kyoto Protocol? A. France, B. China, C. Canada, D. India. Correct answer is option C. Canada. Question 100. The largest peninsula in the world is A. Europe, B. Arabia, C. Africa, D. Asia. Correct answer is option B. Arabia. Question 101. Thomas Cup is associated with which game? A. Hockey, B. None of these, C. Football, D. Badminton. Correct answer is option D. Badminton. Question 102. For which of the following disciplines Nobel Prize is awarded? A. Physics and Chemistry, B. Literature, Peace in economics. C. All of these. D. Physiology or medicine. Correct answer is option C. All of these. Question 103. FFC stands for A Federation of Football Council. B. None of these. C. Film Finance Corporation. D. Foreign Finance Corporation. Correct answer is option C. Film Finance Corporation. Question 104. Ariana is Airlines of which country? A. Pakistan. B. China. C. Afghanistan. D. Indonesia. Correct answer is option C. Afghanistan. Question 105. The sixth organ, Trusteeship Council, of the United Nations suspended operation on November 1, 1994, with the independence of A. Chad. B. Sudan. C. Palau. D. Tunisia. Correct answer is option C. Palau. Question 106. Eritrea, which became the 182nd member of the UN in 1993, is in the continent of A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Europe. D. Australia. Correct answer is optional Africa. Question 107. The currency of Qatar is A. Dinar. B. Rial. C. Dirham. D. Dollar. Correct answer is option B. Rial. Question 108. The 7th of April is observed internationally as A. Women's Day. B. World Water Day. C. Human Rights Day. D. World Health Day. Correct answer is option D. World Health Day. Question 109. What is the capital of Vietnam? A. None of these. B. Hanoi. C. Dhaka. D. Ajman. Correct answer is option B. Hanoi. Question 110. Which sign of the zodiac is also called the water bearer? A. Leo. B. Gemini. C. Scorpio. D. Aquarius. Correct answer is option D. Aquarius. Question 111. The social network site, Twitter, was launched on A. March 21, 2006. B. March 21, 2003. C. March 21, 2004. D. March 21, 2005. Correct answer is option A. March 21, 2006. Question 112. The monetary unit of Bangladesh is A. Kyat. B. Shilling. C. Taka. D. Lek. Correct answer is option C. Taka. Question 113. The OIC was founded in A. Iraq. B. Saudi Arabia. C. Morocco. D. Qatar. Correct answer is option C. Morocco. Question 114. Epsom, England, is the place associated with A. Shooting. B. Horse racing. C. Snooker. D. Polo. Correct answer is option B. Horse racing. Question 115. Which SAARC member country has largest literacy rate? A. Bangladesh. B. Sri Lanka. C. China. D. Indonesia. Correct answer is option B. Sri Lanka. Question 116. The Soviet media theory had its roots in A. German ideology. B. Italian fascist philosophy. C. Free enterprise approach of West. D. Japanese imperialist edicts. Correct answer is option A. German ideology. Question 117. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, was founded on A. the 27th of December 1945. B. the 27th of December 1944. C. the 27th of December 1946. D. the 27th of December 1947. Correct answer is option A. the 27th of December 1945. Question 118. The capital of Saudi Arabia is A. Mecca. B. Taif. C. Medina. D. Riyadh. Correct answer is option D. Riyadh. Question 119. The 8th of March is observed internationally as A. Women's Day. B. Human Rights Day. C. World Water Day. D. World Health Day. Correct answer is option A. Women's Day. Question 120. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, was formed in A. 1960. B. 1962. C. 1958. D. 1964. Correct answer is option C. 1958. Thanks for watching. For more relatable videos, like and subscribe.